Hey, love. I can tell you're not feeling your best today. I know. It's that time of the month again, huh? It's okay, baby. You don't have to explain anything. I got you, okay? I know how hard this can be for you. But first things first. Have you had any help with those cramps? I can get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Anything you need. Just say the word. I know this sucks. But I'm right here to help you go through it. If you want to rest, I can stay close. Or if you need a distraction, we can watch a movie, cuddle up, and just lay down. I mean, you shouldn't feel like you're pushing through this on your own. I'm here. I'm here to take care of you and take some of the weight off. Sweetie, you're always trying to handle everything with just so much strength. But right now, just focus on resting and take it easy. You deserve that. Here, let me give you a massage. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? I wish I could take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything to make you feel better. Here, I'll stay with you as long as you need. If you want, we can just lay here and relax. And I'll hold you. And if you need to talk, I can just listen. Whatever you need, I'm here. I mean, you're so strong for going through this. But I want you to know that it's okay. It's okay to let go sometimes. You don't have to push yourself right now. Just let me take care of you. Sweetie, I bought you something. Got a surprise for you. I got you this water bottle thing. It's in the shape of a bear. You're supposed to heat it up and put it on your belly, and it's supposed to make you feel better. So, let me go heat this up for you. Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie, I'm back. Let me place this water bottle on your belly real quick. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Baby, scoot over a bit. Let me lay down right next to you. You know, I was just thinking about the time how we first met. Back in college. I mean, it feels like a lifetime ago, but I remember it so clearly, like it happened yesterday. Do you remember? I mean, I was running late to class. Typical me, right? I was just rushing through the hallway, trying to make it before the professor noticed me. And then at bumped into you. And I'll never forget the look on your face. You were so startled, you were so shocked. I mean, all of your books went flying. And I felt so bad. And I remember trying to pick up all your books. I was scrambling. And I apologized to you over and over again. But then you just laughed. And that laugh was the first thing I noticed about you. And I don't know why. But from that moment on, I felt like I had to know you. There was something about you, something special. And I'm so glad that I bumped into you that day. That day changed everything for me. Then after a while, getting to know you, I asked you to study with me. And that's when we started to hang out more and more. And I remember how we used to study late at night in the library. You were just so focused. And I would just sit there, pretending to read, but really, I was watching you. I couldn't help it. I was so mesmerized by how dedicated you were, how passionate. And that's what I love about you. I remember you used to always catch me staring at you. And I would just make up some kind of excuse. But I think you knew. I couldn't stop how lucky I was to have you. How lucky I am to still have you and met you. To have you in my life. You always had this way of making things feel right. Even when things are tough. That's why I'm so grateful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything. And right now, I just want to do the same for you. So, tonight, let me take care of you. You don't need to worry. You don't need to stress. Everything's gonna be okay. Hey, sweetie, let's cuddle. I really want to cuddle with you. Come on, come close. Good. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, you know, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, You should be really, really careful, because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do draw me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. But me and you. And it makes me so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, and I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice, combined with the way your lips move, it just mesmerizes me. And it makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness. And it makes it so comforting to be close to you. I mean, I love everything about you. And your lips are just a part of that. And your hair. And I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair looks so soft and beautiful. And I love the way your hair shines in the light. It gives us this nice glow. And sometimes I get lost in it. But your hair just frames your face so perfectly. And I love the way how your hair feels when I run my fingers through it. It's so silky and smooth. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. And it's like there's a whole brand new side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And all that makes up your face. Sweetie, you got the most beautiful face I have ever seen in my life. You really do. Every time I look at your face, my whole world just lights up. It just makes everything brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day, it just makes everything brighter. And I love watching your expressions change. Either when you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every single emotion that crosses your face is just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but you have a way of making me feel calm by just being here. And I could spend hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by every curve and